It's that 6 o'clock news. My nigga has been shot with the Glock. He dropped, now he's in on the spot. Past the bruise, blunt smoking, drinking up the pain. Take me to a different world, cause here I'll go insane. Staring at the steel, tears falling from my eyes. Rage rising in my soul, those bitches gotta die. I cry with the thought, knowing what I gotta do. Mellow man, give the gas and the rest of the group. 16 in the hoop, they rolling around with no sound. Looking for the park, niggas with the balls to take him down. There they go, at McDonald's, we pull up and chill. I hope the fries is hot, cause that's your last meal. Ambush is the plan, the why, the how. If any of y'all was scared to buck, get the fuck out now. I don't want no survivors, they all must come apart. Hit the brew one more time to knock the fear out of my heart. Pull the mask off my face so they know who hit them. It's me, an assassin. My cousin, y'all just killed them. The nigga that pulled the trigger, your soul's gonna plummet. I put lead in the Big Mac, sitting in your stomach. Fuck the talk, action speaks. We bust off rounds, massacre in McDonald's. Now your whole crew is down. Fuckin' with me, get mine, dude. You must be a fool. Now I left your whole crew like indeed in a blood pool. Check it out, yo, when we represent. Mellow in the house, here the assassin represent. Check it out, yo, when we represent. Mellow in the house, here the assassin represent.
Hey, yo, here, man, that bitch nigga around the corner talking about the cops around here.
Man, fuck that nigga, man. Fuck the cops, nigga. I done been in jail before, nigga. I'll go back. Fuck that, man. That nigga would rap for me, man. So that nigga dead now, man. Fuck him, man.
Well, alright, dude, you know what I'm saying? Whatever's covered, yo.
Hey, man, let's roll, man. Let's do that, man.
They shot my homie last week, and tonight I left out at 12 o'clock. Took some 40 and some tree to the brain, and grabbed the clock. Fuck that, niggas kill my boys, so I'm Audi. Pull a trigger happy in an all-black Cherokee bandana on my neck. I'm rolling with a Glock, and my twin got the tech. Let's head towards town, yo, and leave this nigga wet. Got some info, who did he is, wig, I'ma split it. 10 shots to the dome's gonna do it, do that nigga go in front of the arcade. That nigga tried to run, so his ass got sprayed. The rough side chill, with guns and grenades. Blood dripping out his body like some cherry Kool-Aid. Jumping out, gave it 2 to the back, pat, pat. For my homie, take that. Put away the gat, then jump in the ride, heading back to the hood block. Cause when you fuck with bad, better believe we'll be back,
Check it out, yo, when we represent. Mellow in the house, here the assassin represent. Check it out, yo, when we represent. Mellow in the house, here the assassin represent. Chillin' at the crib, drinking brews, thinking bullshit. The friends that's in hell, just because of a kid. They went out bloody, the thoughts making me mad. When the boys I got now with the niggas that I had. Remember back in the day, yo, when niggas they wanna bang, they used their hands or a bat. Nowadays they packing gats. I was drunk as hell, still I got problems on the clip in my 9. Thinking that I can solve them, and I rose on the set where the niggas be slanging crack. Bullets fly, niggas die, so I watch my back. The set's packed as hell, bitches out, and I likes it. Ready to fuck them chicks that be sporting all that tight shit. Peter's walking around, giving a hit and the clock for the rock. Brew in one hand, my other's on my clock. This dude's making me annoyed, I'm high and trigger happy. He's driving around in circles in his car, staring at me. Yo, if he's just frontin', he ain't living on my level. He's about to buy a trip, money grip to meet the devil. Buckety buck, I don't give a fuck. Suckers they lose, they luck in one punk. Caught a slut just for frontin' in his truck. Shot hit him in the face, then the doctors came. They won't give you no CPR because they know it's all in vain. Check it out, yo, when we represent. Mellow in the house, here the assassin represent. Check it out, yo, when we represent. Mellow in the house, here the assassin represent.